Hi DB Crafters, it's Michelle with Creative Mayhem. I have another unboxing for you today, and this is pretty exciting. One, it is a brand new tool for diamond painting that I have never seen. And it came so quickly. I ordered it just a couple weeks ago off of AliExpress, and I've never seen it. Now, maybe you guys have. Maybe I'm just kind of late to the party, but this is a new tool. And so without further ado, let me get started. All right, I went ahead and I've taken it out of the packaging. Obviously, it was China mail, and I'll put all the details down below. But I wanted to play with it first. I wanted to see if it would work. And when you get it, it does come with 5 of these. When you unwrap it, oh, excuse me, I got the sniffles. Unwrap it. Look at these. Okay, you're saying, Michelle, but they just look like pencils. Yes, they are pencils, but they are special pencils. Can you see that end? Right here. They are wax pencils. So this is a new tool that is designed to pick up your drills. It's designed to be sharpened just like a tool. And like I said, you get 5 of them in the package. So let me do this. I went ahead and I have been testing it, okay? Let me move this out of the way. So what you do is you just sharpen it. I just have one of the old, school sharpeners. This is one that we had in the house. And then on the end, I'll show you on this end. On the end, what I recommend, I'm playing around with this, and what I recommend is, this is kind of like a paper on the outside, just like a normal crayon would have, except it is a thicker coated paper on it. And so I would recommend taking this. It just peels up with your finger. I took it off about, a quarter of an inch up here. I just took that completely off of the pencil, and then I sharpened it, because if you don't do that and take this paper off first a little bit, it will get gummed up in your sharpener. So if you look on this side, you can see where I ripped the tape off around, and as long as you get that top layer of tape, the sharpener will take this off. So it's really kind of cool how it sharpens. So you just stick it in, right? Just like a normal sharpener we've all seen. Oh, is that going to focus for me? And you just sharpen it. And I just turn the pencil, and it comes up with the wax. And see how it does take a little bit of the paper off? But it sharpens very easily. And then look, you have the perfect tip to go ahead and then pick up your drill. So if there's any little bits of paper, I just kind of wipe this off, because you don't want that getting on your diamond painting. And then of course pick up any trash. So here we go. Let's take this out for a test drive. Alright, so I got my diamond, and I'm going to lay it down. Got my diamond. I'm not as confident with this one, but it's doing the trick. Oops. Now that one I got off, so let me try and move it. It's very difficult to move. And you see how the tip gets all out of shape? If you can see that. The tip's all out of shape. So let me see if I can get that wax off of there. Oh, so there's a drawback that I do see right now. Is that it's going to be difficult to move the diamond once you place it. But it is picking them up quite nicely. So you're just not going to be able to move them around very well, unless, you don't mind boogering up the tip and then maybe having to resharpen it. And I wonder how well it does. Let's see, in between. Okay. I can see once the tip gets a little out of whack. Yeah, see that one? That one was a little hard to get in there. That it will probably pick up more than one. Yeah, it is harder to get them in between. And I do see some wax here where I haven't cleaned off the tip. So, see the end there? Okay. That's interesting. Okay. See that tip? How it's really getting misshapen there? I wonder if I take my fingers, kind of like you do with your wax, and get off the extra. Let's see if that helps. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so far, I think it's a cool idea. If it'll focus on that tip. I don't think it's going to replace the diamond painting pens, which I didn't think it would anyway, because let's just face it, diamond painting pens are fun. I do like the fact that it is a pencil. It's very thin. It's very light. It's very easy to hold in your hand. But it is longer. And see, when you're trying to get those in between the drills, you can't manipulate that diamond because the wax is just sliding off. So I think I might have to give this one a thumbs down. Just because it slips off of the drills too easily. And you can't really use it to place in between the drills and really get that in there. Because right now, see, it's not going in there. And it's just coming off. And if I press any harder, see if you can get that to where you can see it. I don't know if you can see how misshapen that is. So yeah, I think it's sticky. I think it picks up the drills well. I think it places them, but it's not very good about moving the diamonds around or putting them in between in that checkerboard pattern. So that is my review on this brand new diamond painting tool that I got off of AliExpress. And I will definitely put all the details down below. Maybe you'll have better luck with it. Maybe you want to try it. So as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you ring that bell, you'll be notified of all my future videos. I so appreciate you watching. I so appreciate the kind comments. And I'll see you in my next video.